how does one create mental fortitude? Well, it starts with that inner strength we all have deep inside of us. During difficult times, it's about knowing your own emotions, setting boundaries, and really practicing mindfulness to help you get through those tough times. We're all going to experience difficult things in our life, which create the need for resilience. We're all capable of being resilient, but it really matters whether you know exactly what you're experiencing, how you can identify those emotions that come along with things that are difficult to endure, and really knowing what to do with those emotions. Therapy is a great place to start. If you're not in therapy, everyone should be in therapy because it helps you create that fortitude when you really need that inner strength, but you don't want to talk to family or friends about things that are going on. Mindfulness is great, practicing daily yoga, affirmations, gratitude, making sure that you're moving your body, making sure that you're eating proper nutrition, getting vitamin D, all of those things can really help when you go through difficult time. So if you're interested in learning about that mental resilience, dig deep inside of you and find a place where you can start to create your own boundaries, your own unique experiences, and help get through those difficult times.